everybody. I wanted to share with you guys how we're teaching reading, writing, and vocabulary this week without a curriculum. So the skill we're focusing on is comparing how stories show the same ideas differently. So we always start with a book report. We're reading the Vanderbeeker series. We are on chapters 2 and 3. And our book report is also going to set up our writing. So the book report, the Vanderbeeker children all learn the same upset of news. Although they share the same goal, each child responds in a different way. So we have the problem, and then we're going to be talking about how the two characters respond. So in addition to the book report, this is brainstorming for our writing prompt for that week. So that's one of the activities that we're going to be doing for reading. In addition to that activity, we are going to be using this organizer, and we have the Crudes and we have Alice in Wonderland. She picked the two movies. We're going to be comparing the themes, evidence, and then how the story makes the theme feel. So this is another activity we're going to be doing on that particular skill. In addition to that, she is watching The Descendants right now. So we are going to be comparing the theme, providing evidence, and the same thing, how it shows the idea, using Mel and Evie, characters from that movie. And we have a second writing prompt this week. Our writing prompt is, in Descendants, Mel and Evie are best friends who leave the Isle of Lost together. Although they have the same goal of fitting into the life in Oregon, they grow and change in different ways. Compare Mel and Evie. How do their actions, choices, and experience show similar or different ideas about friendship, identity, and making good choices? So this is going to do the brainstorming for her second writing. In addition to that, we have our read aloud. We are reading No Time to Be Dumb. It's Letters to Teenage Girls. It's a great read. And so this is the read aloud, and this is something that I am reading to her. And we're also continuing on our history project. So our history project, we're doing the 50 states. So we're sending letters to all of the states. This is Alaska. They're going to get their letter to the tourism department, and we're going to continue focusing on the different components of a letter. For vocabulary, we are doing 365 words every child should know. We also do a word of the day podcast, and we also do word work. So we do word work every week. In addition to this, when we are reading, we are doing context clues. And on her Independent Day, she is searching for unknown words, and she's looking for the meaning and the pronunciation of those words. So that's all that we are doing for vocabulary, reading, and writing this week. If you want to learn how to do this, I have a workshop that's coming later on this month that I will teach you how to teach vocabulary, reading, and writing without using a curriculum, using your child's experiences and their interests. And everybody that signs up get access to our private group where we plan every week. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and sign up. But that's how we are teaching our lessons this week without using a curriculum.